Dzień dobry!
Yo, what's up?
Finally, Damian take day off today, and we are in.
Kicks.
It's very hard to say. It is just like 10 minutes, basically, after the airport, right, Kahage?
Oh, 10, 15, yeah.
Yes, and we will take you to the area where we can chill, relax, enjoying the beautiful nature. And I think this one is not the tourist place, obviously, but I think that only the locals go here, right? For the escape from the hustle and bustle.
Feels nice, like
busy.
actually.
Yes, I will show you around. One is called Molo Hibi. Kayaknya tak? Kebe, yeah, something like that. And look at this, how clean it is. And on the left, on the right, I think that there are some.
Like an abandoned palace.
Yes, this one.
Yeah.
And yeah, let's walk in the front. Wow, beautiful. So this is the name, Molo Hiba. That's the room. Let's go. Can you hear the sound of the nature, the birds? Look at the sand, exactly like on the beach. Very nice. So, wow. Damian is there. Look at that, the ducks. This is what I told you, like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, already a big lake, green nature, just like this. Beautiful. Wow. Very nice. Look at the duck over there. Very nice. Beautiful. Wow. Amazing. Oh, thank you, Kahani, for taking me here.
Oh, no worries. Pretty nice, isn't it?
Yes, yes. Look at the gazebo or the ballet there. It's just like the style. It's like in Bali.
I just standing here, I just looking at this. It look like in Bali. You just cannot sit under it. But it's like bigger size, but the same shape, huh?
Nice, very nice.
Nice.
Look, even you can go there with the boat or with the kayak. Very nice.
And a lot of people standing in some spots and fishing there on the other side of the lake. I can see that.
Nice. Oh, Hanye, how are you? It has been like you only come on YouTube only once a week, right?
Yeah.
How's the business going, Kahanye?
It's going. It's slowly growing. So that's good. But I'm a little bit tired. That's why. That's why a little bit less on the YouTube. Busy, but I'm here today, guys. That's a nice lake, by the way.
Very nice. And actually, you know, in Poznan there are so many beautiful lake like this. But look at this, a bit closer about the design of this ballet or gazebo. Look at this one. They have the same type of the grass as the, you know, the roof. This is really remind me like the gazebo in Bali. And look at this one, sunset gonna be. It's beautiful. Very nice. Let's get closer. Wow. Nice. And I think that people over there, they have a catamaran or something like that. It's so nice. And people coming here by bicycles as well. So nice. Just like, I don't know,
Kintamani Lake.
Yes, remind me like the, Kintamani Lake surrounding by green nature. But the thing is that in Kintamani there is a mount, Batur, but here just a beautiful lake like this.
Very nice, isn't it?
Yes.
Actually very nice. Hey, honey, what's going with your camera? Why is like this one sunset is there? Oh, click, click. Oh, much better.
Very nice. I really like it. So, one thing that wherever you go, you feel like you're home. So nice.
We are at home actually.
Yes. This is my second home, right?
Well, second, first.
We are off from the lake and we take you to the this is the area next to the lake and next to the
It's
airport.
like a village, countryside, but belongs to Poznan actually.
Yes. So
It's like
You
a
see,
green
like-
stuff in the Poznan. Look at the
And,
field and the sunset with the wheat fields already. It
It's
looks
very
like a rice
nice.
field again, right?
yes. I just wanna open the window for you. So I'll give you the clear look. Look at this. It feels like a rice field little bit, but that's the wheat field, right, Kanye?
Right.
Nice. Very nice. That's the sunset. Beautiful. Look at those flowers in front of me. Very nice. It's gonna be a beautiful sunset soon. Kochanie!
Tak, sayang. So many people asking if why I'm not making videos anymore. Like I said, I'm busy actually developing my own company. That's why I'm busy with this. But Winnie is making video now. Like, we used to making YouTube videos actually in June, in 7th of June, which mean in next 2 weeks will be 4 years when we are making the YouTube. And then I was doing mostly, and Winnie was just joining me. Now Winnie is the main character of the Monkeys YouTube, and I'm joining her when I have a day off or when we have a time. But whenever we're gonna travel, like last time we were perhaps in Berlin, or we're gonna go somewhere, of course we're gonna make a proper videos like old school, right? But for now I'm just like busy with my business and trying to do some other stuff also here. So that's why I'm less on YouTube, but we both exist. Everything is fine, right, Sayang?
Yes, I'm looking at the apartment and the restaurant in the front. Wow.
Yeah, actually, like this is like on the other side of the airport, part of residential area here. Gonna go some shopping actually before we get home. Look at this nice barbecue restaurant. Huh? They have a trailer here actually.
Yes,
Up in smoke. Cool.
It's nice.
So this is how it is.
Honey, look at the traffic situation.
What traffic? There's no traffic.
I mean, the road situation. Oh, wow, look at this. Oh, no.
That's the
I
one.
mean, the wall.
We are going to
Yes.
Lidl. Our favorite supermarket though. Look at this fancy electric BMW actually. What sort of car is this?
Oh,
And
nice.
this is the Lidl.
Right.
So have some groceries.
Actually, airport is there. You see that the flight. Yes, Kohanye?
Yeah, somewhere over there, huh?
Yes. And in front of me is the land of the wheat. And I think that's the small pond or something like that. And the restaurant. So this is the QE. We are going shopping. We are off from the shopping actually. And now we are in the...
Przeźmierowo.
Okay. It's hard name.
It's like a little town just outside the airport and Poznań border, but this is like consideration as the Poznań metro city, right? So Przeźmierowo, wherever I pass by here, is like I feel like I'm driving with my buddy Louis in Hamilton, or with my mate Mick in Butler, which is the same size kind of concept. Not Toronto, not Perth, but at the same time metro of Perth and metro of Toronto, and this is the metro of Poznan, obviously. So it's like, well, not the city center, but still city, and everything you can find here, many establishments, but just not the tall buildings, not too busy, just simply like kind of residential area. Yeah, it's just slow, chilled life here. Also a lot of the car dealerships and the garages and other services establishments, hotels even sometimes here. It's recently in 8:30 p.m. It's sunset time actually, midweek. It's pretty quiet actually though, so it's pretty enjoyable, I could say. Orlen, my favorite gas station company, and the cars dealerships, as I said. So also interesting fact is this is just literally behind the airport, which is very close, and also behind this forest in the background there is the circuit. So the circuit is nearby the airport. They are racing by the motorbikes usually, and they are all the car events here. There's a little bit of the forest, like a woods, and then there is the border as end of Przeźmierowo and beginning of Poznan city actually. So, and the roundabout is actually very interesting. We have a lot of roundabouts in Europe in general, in Poland particularly. There is roads like this one actually, and we are driving like this one, and then straight line back to the airport and Poznan city.
Wow, so on the left, on the right side, it's green.
Of course, it's great. And it's like end of the spring, beginning of summer, very soon in next 2 weeks, 3 weeks. So it's pretty cool. Little bit of the road trip today on this video, as we are driving. When you have opportunity to show you a little bit of the different perspective. Oh, actually right now is the sign of Poznan, so literally it's here already the beginning of the Poznan, and just in the 2 minutes there will be like an airport. So it's cool, little bit of the green area before you enter the city itself. Okay.
And the traffic situation is all like this, right, Kohanye?
Yeah,
Every day is like this.
on this particular road, yeah, it is like this.
So you will never get stressed driving here, right?
Well, as you can see, I'm just chilling though. Not much is going on the road. It's not like in Bali though, obviously. But this is it. That's the vibe.
So in the front is the airport already.
Yeah, you can see already the Moxie Hotel and the airport itself. So right now it's already the area of the airport, Poznan Airport. This is international airport, by the way. There are flights to Dubai even though.
From here?
Yeah, actually you can fly directly to Dubai. Moxie Hotel, parking lot, sunset situation, and that's the airport. There will be McDonald's at the front as well, in case if you are hungry and carving for McDonald's. Oh, here we go, that's the airport. Very small,
Nice.
but nice, cozy, I could say. We got a red light actually, so we have to stop, but at the same time you have a look at the airport. So if you ever come here, you never know, maybe I will pick you up.
Right, so I think that's all our video today, guys. Just a short trip, and the rest of our day is actually like meeting friends, meeting Wuyek and Chochang. So yeah, thanks for watching and see you
See you
tomorrow.
next time.
Bye.